Okay, so we'll be handling factorization of quadratic expression. If you have watched our problems on quadratic equations, you see where we explain some things about quadratic expressions. But basically here, we're going to divide our factorization of quadratic expression into sections and cases. But first of all, let's have a recap. What is a quadratic expression? A quadratic expression is an expression in which the highest unknown is power 2. That is, I have highest power of the unknown is 2. Well, I have ax squared plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic expression. This is a quadratic expression on x, which is the highest power is 2. Here, my a must not be equal to 0, because if a is 0, it will be something like this: bx plus c if a is 0, and this is not a quadratic expression, it's a linear expression. So that's why we said that a must not be equal to 0. Also, I have another quadratic expression. I have ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared. This is a quadratic expression on two unknowns, being x and y. Here is the quadratic expression on one unknown, being x is the unknown here, and here xy is the unknown. So we'll see how to factorize some of these problems in the course of this class. We're going to divide it into sections and cases. So the next thing we're going to face now is section 1. Under section 1, we'll have case 1. Okay, so let's see. So here we have section 1 and case 1. Section 1. Here we have case 1. In this case 1, we have problems where a is equal to 1 and b is greater than 0, which is positive, and c is greater than 0, which is positive. So have problem 1. Or generally have problems. They will tell us factorize x squared plus 8x plus 15. Solution. To factorize x squared plus 8x plus 15. This is very simple. Now, to factorize this, you just ask yourself a simple question. You take this 15 and ask yourself, what are the two numbers that if I multiply, they will give me 15? If I add them, they will give me 8. So basically, you ask yourself, what are the factors of 15 that the sum is 8? You check 1 and 5, the sum is 16. No, you check 1 and 15, the sum is 16, so it's not 8. You check another factor, 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So we use 3 and 5. So here we have x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15. This is equal to, here x is common, have x into x plus 3 plus, here 5 is common, have 5 into x plus 3. This is equal to, check 3x is common, so have x plus 3, then x plus 5. We have factored this x squared plus 8x plus 15. This is the factor x plus 3 and x plus 5. This can also be x plus 5, x plus 3. It doesn't matter. The multiplication under this particular set of problems is commutative, meaning that either you write a times b or b times a, it will still give you the same answer. Okay, let's see the next problem. Number 2. let's see number 2. The second problem is factorize x squared plus 7x plus 10. Solution. Okay, so to factorize this is x squared plus 7x plus 10 here. Remember, we go to 10 and ask ourselves, what are the two factors of 10? That the sum is 5. Clearly, it is just 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 will have x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. This is equal to x plus 2 plus 5x plus 2. X plus 2 is common, then x plus 5, which is it for this one. Okay, let's see other problems. Question 3. Okay, number 3, we have to factorize y squared plus 15y plus 35y plus 150. So I'll ask myself, what are the factors? What are the factors of 150? Factors of 150, I can give you 15. 10 and 15. 10 and 15. So this is y squared plus 10y plus 15y plus 150. So this is equal to, what is common here is y into y plus 10 plus what is common here is 15. 15 into y plus 10. This is equal to, bring out this, which is y plus 10 into y plus 15. And we're done. This is the factor of this guy. Go to the next one, which is number 4. We have x squared plus 6x plus 5. Okay, so this is our next question. So we have, this is factors of 5. It's just 5 and 1, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So you'll have x squared plus 5x plus, we would have written 1x, but we don't write 1x. So you just write x plus 5 here. Now I have that this is equal to, x is common here, you bring out x into x plus 5 plus here 1 is common, you bring out 1, x plus 5. Here we'll have x plus 5 into x plus 1. Then we'll go to number 5. Go to number 5. Go to number 5. Number 5 is n squared plus 8n plus 12. So factors of 6 that can give me 8 is 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, so we'll have this to be n squared plus 2n plus 6n, replacing this 8 plus 12. This is equal to n into n plus 2 for this one, plus what is common here is 6 into n plus 2. This is equal to n plus 2, this into n plus 6. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Let's pick other problems. Let's pick other problems. Number 6 is x squared plus 9x plus 14. So we check factors of 14 that can give me 9. 1 and 4 cannot give me 9. 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 can give me 9. 2 times 7 can give me 14. Okay. So I have this to be x squared plus 7x plus 2x plus 14. It's clear. What is common here is x into x plus 7 plus what is common here is 2 into x plus 7. So this is x plus 7 into x plus 2, and we are done. So we have a classwork to do. We have d squared plus 13d plus 22. Okay, so this is where we're going to stop for this particular case.